What's up, YouTube? So today I got a little notification on my security system. And our dog Daisy, which is supposed to guard the Spanish goats, decided to get out of the pen, or the fence. So yesterday I moved them over from a little 2-acre paddock I had them in over to my big 12-acre pasture. So yeah, Daisy got out this morning, and I'm on my way to lunch. I work about an hour away from where we live, and I get a notification through email off of our security system, and Daisy's running around our yard. So I had to have my wife come home, take an early lunch, and put her back in. So I got everybody in the small pen again until maybe this weekend. I drove out the fence line. I cannot find anything where she's dug under, where she's jumped over. I don't have a clue. I seen her muddy paws on the barn where she was trying to get back in. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out though. Can't afford to get her shot or lose her. So I'm gonna do a little update also on these guys. It's staying plenty moist. All kinds of water in the lid, still wet. The heat mat's staying warm. It's got condensation, so I really like these trays. Yeah, so anytime an animal gets out of a fence, it's really frustrating. We've had her for over a year, and she has not got out one time, so that's why I'm a little worried. I don't know what she'll do if she's out for very long. Let's see what she has to say. Daisy! Come here, girl. Daisy! Daisy! Come here. Did you escape today? Huh? Did you escape today? You better quit getting out, girl. Alright. It's a rainy evening here in northeast Oklahoma. Temperatures are dropping, so I'm not going to keep you long. Just want to do a little update on the LED grow light. I'll keep doing updates. Hopefully the seeds will start germinating soon. We'll see. Oh, and remember those cedar trees I cut down and threw in the goat pen? Check them out now. Bad boys are pretty much gone. So if you got land with cedar trees, look into getting some good fencing and some goats. They will wipe them out. She's doing her perimeter check. Good girl, Daisy. So I've been kicking around the idea of buying a drone for a while. Just pretty much just to play with, fly around, take a little video from higher altitudes. So this weekend I found one and I bought one, a DJI Spark. Man, this thing is awesome. It's really fun, crazy fast, covers a lot of area, good battery life. I took a little video footage this weekend, the day that it snowed. We had a little dusting one morning, and that thing is amazing. It takes awesome quality video. Check this out. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share.